Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Netflix and you will click here. Then we will find this page of app info. We go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your